ayan, delivery natin. Time check, 6:45.
Cruise?
Nasundo na tayo ni Mahal. Time check, 12:05. He went running. How many hours running then?
Only...
An hour?
No, about 45 minutes.
Hanggang 12 lang tayo today. It's good. 6 hours, 6 to 12. I like that. I love that. Because it's Sunday, so Marky thought it's double pay. Yarr! No way. I'm tired. Dito kami sa Woolies ni Mahal kasi nag-CR ako din, bumili din siya ng kanyang beer. May sneakers tayo. And it's 2 for 11. Ayan, Shadows, bahay na tayo. Kinuha ko lang yung mga damit namin kasi hindi ko na to hinango kahapon. So, hanggang anong oras naman na ito naarawan, so pwede na sila. And nag-grocery lang kami kanina sa Woolies. Bango. And ligo and mag-prep kami ng lunch. Si Miso, kakagising niya lang. Good morning, my darling! How are you? Is it good sleeping because it's cold? Oh my gosh, you just woke up. Good morning. Where is our sushi? Oh, she's in my blanket. Good morning. Mama, it's good afternoon, Mama.
Onion?
Not in the fridge.
Oh, no, I need one.
Hello. So, ito yung pinamili natin sa Woolies corn.
Do I have red onion?
I can mix it. Can I? You want fresh? I reckon fresh.
Fresh?
Yeah.
Well, then red onion.
2 Snickers kasi naka-sale to 2 for 11. And then hot dog. And then we got 2 spring roll wrapper. Nasa freezer na isa. What else did we buy, my love? This one? That's it? Oh, your cheese. Yeah. And mag-prepare tayo ng aming late lunch.
Cheese and garlic.
Na late lunch. So, si Marky ay mag-hotdog. Balikan ko kayo, mag-prepare na ako. Ayan, kako kay Marky, gagawan kita ng jalapeno spring rolls. So, nag-invento tayo ng recipe. Ayan. Kita niyo ba yung face ko dun? Ba yan? Itong camera natin. Nasira ata itong camera. Hindi na siya ma-flip. Sana magustuhan ni Love. Pakita ko sa inyo. Jalapeno, tas meron din ceiling red na nilagay. So, ang lunch din ni Mr. ay late lunch ay hotdog buns. Hotdog. Tapos itong kanyang jalapeno spring rolls. No, give me your garlic.
Garlic chili or just garlic?
It's up to you. That's yours.
What about yours? Is there chili in there?
Yeah.
Oh. Am I doing hot dog or burger? Hot dog? Okay, I'll do one of each. Oh, you want treats too? Okay.
Ayan na yung spring roll ni Marky. Sana magustuhan niya. Tikman ko kanina, maanghang. Yan ang luto ng spring roll ni Daddy Marky. Nire-ready niya rin niya yung kanyang sandwich.
Your twin, your children,
Yeah.
all with you.
Ayan, may game ang Carlton Sunday night and natatalo kami ngayon. Kaka-start ng third quarter. 39-25. Kalaro nila ang SM doon. Tatalo na kami kanina. Score 46-53, 53 ang Carlton. Tas nahawakan ni Pat yung bola. Nanervous yan.
Ian, sige, hawak ang bola. Go, pare! Shoot, you missed it!
Sobrang kinakabahan na kami
18! He's only 18 years old!
Ay, ay, ay.
We won!
We are the Navy Blues. I all got Navy Blues.
We'll sing, never let you down.
Hey, fast.
Team all Carlton knows we the champions. We like to send up, we keep our end up.
As you'll always know you're playing. It's famous. Oh, God.
Kambal yun, kambal. Ayan, ayan, kambal.
Diba today?
Are they twins?
Yeah.
Are they okay?
Of course they are. Look. They should be playing together.
I know, right? You should move to Carlton.
Go, Captain!
They'll give you a new one. It's under warranty.
New one or they're gonna repair?
New one. It's under warranty. Marco.
Okay, yeah.
I love Carlton. You cannot feel any arrogance and everything, no?
They're just a wholesome team. Like, they don't create. You know what I mean? Like,
You can feel
the pure energy. Look at their families and kids.
Oh, that's his baby. Congrats, Blues! 4 wins in a row.
Chris Williams, legend in the ball head behind.
Yeah.
On the right.
It's a player before.
Legend.
Carlton Vale?
Yeah.
Good morning, Shadows. Happy Monday. Work mode tayo for today. 5 days tayo straight, Monday to Friday. Ayan, 6:40 pa lang pero mag-deliver na tayo para may pagkain sa deli. Kasi wala silang croissant at the moment. That's our first delivery. Mga hot food and croissants. Yung si Sandra sa loob. Ayan ang ating deli, punong-puno. Kailan ang work mo? Diretso ako, Monday to Friday. Wednesday. 2 days off. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday ako pa day off. Ay, wow. Sana all. Ayan, shadows. Biglaan kaming lalabas ni Mister. Time check, 4:36. Kasi ang kanyang cellphone ay nasisira-sira na. Kasi nahulog and everything, nabasag sa likod. So, titingin kami ng phone and ipapaayos ko rin tong camera natin kasi hindi na siya mag-flip ngay.
Why do the cars slow down when it gets wet?
Hindi maganda ang weather, maulan. They're scared.
I know, right?
4:43. Nandito na tayo sa Kawana, sa JB Hi-Fi. And pakita ko tong camera. Update ko na lang kayo mamaya ano mangyayari. So, update. Iwan natin ang ating camera. Up to 6 weeks siya nga ayusin. Ayan, bahay na tayo. Dumaan lang kami ng Aldi. Pumili ako ng aking mga lamps na. Ayan, ito.
Haven't you got on the...
So, ang nangyari sa ating camera, 6 weeks siyang wala. Nagkamali ako ng desisyon kasi may pupuntahan kami sa Sabado. Dapat hindi ko muna siya pinaayos. Naiinis ako. Naiinis ako. Ayun, nag-crave tayo ng pork. Lutuin natin ang ating pork ngayon. Gagawin ko siyang crispy pork and meron tayong mais and broccoli in the side. Wala tayong camera, so gamit natin ang ating phone. So habang nagluluto ako, nagpapapak din. So yan na lang natira. Tada! So yan na yung dinner natin. Hiniwa-hiwa ko nung una and then nagprito ako ng buo na lang, tapos hiniwa ko na lang sa gitna. Kain! And that's my husband's dinner. Ginawa niya yan kahapon, pero hindi niya naubos. Tapos ito yung jalapeno spring rolls. I know! You're hungry again?
No, she just wants...
Oh my gosh!
Don't you?
Ayan, kain lang muna kami. Hindi na tayo masyadong mag-video kasi phone lang gamit natin. Parang ganda ko dyan ang fresh. May ganggarong laki niya. Oh, hello! Time check, 4:55 na din na tayo sa work. Ang laki niya lang!
Okay.
Bye-bye!
Cool.
Bye-bye!
Love you.
Love you. Mas inuna pa niyang love youhan yung kanggaro kaysa sa misis. Hi shadows, happy Tuesday. So ayan, natapos tayo ng 12. So alam na, pag natapos na ng maaga, mag-Uber tayo. Ayan, waiting na lang ako sa aking Uber. 4 minutes away. Shadows, time check 12:45 and nandito na tayo sa bahay. Nag-Uber na lang ako. I feel tired. And this is my third day. Diretso, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Diretso pa tayo hanggang Friday. So, pahinga. Hindi ko alam kung anong kakainin ko. Miso Sushi Mommy's home. Ellie Ethan.
Try another diet.
Marky got
Face ID of that.
Yeah.
17E.
No, what's
No,
the...
I didn't.
2:27, nasundo na tayo ni Mahal. Gamit natin yung bago niyang phone. Bagong phone! I got him sandwiches. So, maaga siyang natapos. 1 o'clock kasi maulan. Tignan niyo ang weather. So clear, Mahal ko. So, he got 17E. Siya na ang may pinaka-latest na phone sa aming lahat. Latest phone, my love. It's boring. I'm tired. Nabanog. Makabanog. Tag-trabaho.
That one.
That's the Caesar.
Jesus.
Yes. Scissors. Nakabihis siya kasi gusto niyang lumabas. Gusto niyang mag-lunch sa labas ka po. Daming pagkain dito. Sabi kong ganun. Kinuhanan ko siya. Siya, late na nung nasundo ko ni Marky. 4 something na. 4:20 something.
And we're having dinner.
May na-take out ako sa hotel na ano. Carrot. Just banana carrot or banana carrot? Carrot lang, no?
Alright.
Yeah. I can't taste it properly. It's just the icing that I can. Ayan. Malapit na yung maubos. Favorite ni Love to carrot cake. Late siya natapos sa work. What time you finish? 3:30.
4.
Oh, when you get to the shed, 4 o'clock. Ako is natapos ng 2 o'clock. So, 6 to 2. It's raining.
Oh.
Saan number?
Wait.
Ayan, makulimlim. Mo?
One more.
Yum! Okay, have it. One more. We can finish that.
Sorry,
So yummy talaga. I'll eat the small one. I'll leave this two for you.
No, wait.
Yes, right. Nakaka-addict. Nakakataba. Makes you fat. Make us fat. Yum.
Hello, Cocky.
Okay, no dinner.
Against the Crows, they end up getting the goal through Keys. Biggest lead of the match, 47.
You're so pretty, baby. You're so pretty. You're so pretty. Look at you. Look at you there. So pretty. So pretty. You're so pretty. I no biting, huh? Puchu. Lalambing si Misa. Alalambing.
Say your mind.
Ay, siya lalambing. Alalambing. Alalambing. Alambing. Yeah, that one, no? Alambing naman. Alambing. Gusto naman yan. Ay! Lalambing ang ating Misa. Good morning, everyone. Happy Friday. Happy Independence Day dyan sa Philippines. Deliver tayo. Time check 7:05. good news! Nag-message si Marky. Makukuha na namin yung camera ko today. So, ayun. Pinaayos natin siya Monday. Ang bilis ha. Oh, perfect timing para sa event bukas. Ganyan na ang ating food. So, meron tayong 2 toasted bread, 2 egg, and then avo. So, I'm gonna put the avo on top. Then, tagi-isang egg. Gutom na gutom yarn. I know, makukuha natin ang aking camera kasi ang problema sa aking camera, hindi siya mag-flip. Hindi na siya nag-stick ba. Pakita ko sa inyo. Hindi ko napakita eh. So, ito yung camera. Tapos, pag i-flip mo na yung ano niya, diba dapat nag-i-steady siyang ganun. Dito. So, yun is, if-flip mo, and then babalik siya. Babalik siya sa pinaka-ayos niyang nakaganon. So, paano ba yung explain? Pakita ko sa inyo later on. But for now, I'm gonna eat. I'm so hungry. And then, I'm watching my Korean drama. Yeah. So, pag ako lang mag-isa, nanonood ako ng Korean drama, ng vlogs and everything. Pero pag nandito si Marky, nanonood kami ng aming mga series sa Netflix. Yun ang aming bonding time. Pero pag di namin feel manood, kanya-kanya kami. Siya ay nanonood ng kanyang mga podcasts. And ako ay nagsusulat sa aking notes or ako ay nanonood ng aking mga Korean drama or vlogs naman. Diba pa ulit-ulit? Sinabi ko na yun. So, prepare ko lang ako. Pakita ko sa inyo. It's my avo. Yeah, dun lang tayo sa mga easy foods. Hindi ko na ginamit yung toaster ng bread. Nilagay ko na lang siya kung saan ako nagprito ng aking itlog. Tada! That's so yummy! Pinakita ko din yan kay Marky kasi tumawag siya. Oo, tinawagan ko siya after niya kung masabihan na yung aking camera ay ready na. Pick upin namin yun after work. Pasensya na po sa aming magulong bahay at kami po ay busy sa aming trabaho at walang na mag-ayos at the moment. Ayan, lagyan natin ito ng dapat pala binili ko na yung nakita kong paglagyan ng asin. Yung ganito na malaki. Meron pa naman ito. Yummy! Hindi natin ang konting tato. Yes, ang usually na ginagawa ng mga puti, ang avocado, hindi nila kinakain yan with sweets. Pero ginagawa ko pa rin yun sa work minsan. Kasi yung Sri Lankan na chef na ka-work ko, mahilig din yun sa avocado. And then, ang nilalagay yun sa kanya, avocado, milk na hindi powder ha. Kain tayo. Yum. Yummy. So, hintayin ko lang dumating si Marky. Punta kami ng Kawana kasi doon ko pinaayos. Doon na pinaayos. And then, I think maliligo na ako after ko kumain. And, ang pinapanood ko ngayon is the My Royal Nemesis sa Netflix. And nasa ano na ako? Episode 8. Sorry. Ang sarap. Ang sarap. Try nyo din to mag-toast kayo ng bread, avocado, and then egg. Yummy. Dito ko lang to sa Australia ginawa. Avo on toast with egg. See you later. Update ko kayo. Itong camera ko kasi itong phone ko medyo mababa na ang kanyang memory. So, ang ginagawa ko, nagta-transfer sa iPad. And then, nagta-transfer sa aking SD drive. Sa hard drive. So, Ayun ang ating ganap for today. Happy Independence Day to everyone. And bukas, a-attend kami ng Filipino Festival. It's my first time. First time namin ni Amanda, pati ni Marky, sasama din siya. So, see you. Update ko kayo later on. Bye! Enjoy ko lang aking fudang. Ayan, kakatapos natin kumain. Dahil mabait at masipag tayong asawa, tayo ay maglinis dito sa bahay. Ako ay nag-vacuum at the moment. Ay, tapos nakapag-load na rin ako ng aking dalawang labahin. Laba tayo ng uniform para pagbalik ay meron tayong uniform. Pinakita ko sa inyo yan na yung sombrero na to. From Carlton. Respect for a better future. Eyeshadows. So, ayan. Si Marky before siya umawit from work. Pinik up na niya ang ating camera. Pinalitan nila ng bago shadows. Bago. My gosh, i-unbox natin ito. My gosh, binigyan nila tayo ng bago shadows. Normal ata kasi nasakit ng PGI yung pag-finish mo, hindi siya nagmamagnet. Kasi magnetic yun. Bago nga. Ano natin sa kabila ito? Support lang. Support system. Oh my gosh. Mahal ko, it's new. My camera. Ah!
You want it?
Oh my gosh, they changed it. They really gave me new one. Because I remember my camera, there's scratch on it.
That's more compact.
It's the same, baby.
What's the same?
I just removed the thing. I just removed the thingy before.
Oh.
It's this bago. So they changed it in brand
So where's the
new.
thing?
Here.
Oh.
And I have extra cover. That's the old cover.
So you got a brand new one.
Yeah. Yes. Wow, they really changed it. Unbox, ano na natin? Ooh. Oh, shoot.
Yay.
So, sabihin ko kung
What a
ano.
husband I am.
I know, thank you, baby. Yung sinasabi ko, pag once na ginanon mo siya, hindi siya nag-i-stay na ganyan, nag-i-stick lang siya. Like, of course, English. Device name, activate.
You gotta set it up now.
Yeah.
Track in, yeah, was really excited for the challenge ahead.
Congratulations to you getting 150. How much does that milestone
Baby, I'm vlogging.
Oh.
It does mean a lot.
Ilagay na natin yung kanyang memory card. Dito yung kanyang memory card. Ilagay na natin.
Lisa, where's sushi?
Oh, maybe she's in the garage. Is the garage closed? There it is. So young.
Yes, you locked her out.
I'm sorry.
Sushi.
Tapos ito yung ano niya.
Mommy is so mean to you.
Sorry! I didn't mean it. Lagay na.
Where's sushi?
So, ang problema nun, pag once diba, inon mo, tapos igaganito mo siya. Bumabalik siyang pag ano. So, So, yun talaga ang defect daw ng DJI. Good timing! We can use this tomorrow! Nai-stress kasi ako. Pero sakto naman na bumili si Marky ng bago niyang phone. So, magagamit natin. And then, nag-message sila kaninang hapon. Nag-email sila kay Marky na ready na daw. And I didn't expect na they're gonna change it like brand new. Oh, thank you,
Happy
DJI.
for that.
I know! Monday? Thank you! Yan, okay na ang ating camera. See you again on my next vlog. Nag-update lang ako. Dapat kanina pa to, pero time check. What time is it? 7:10 na. And ang ginagawa ko ngayon at aking makalat na table. Transfer ng mga video. Ayan! Nalang sa'yo. Balita ko kay Amanda to. Bye! Mark is opening our wine nung aming anniversary. Dade?
Happy anniversary,
Baby.
Catch you one more.
Love you.
Love you.
What's this? What's this? She's trying to hold it like, oh. Oh no, what's that? What's that, Miso? Miso, what's that?